What's up, everybody? Hello, welcome to another makeup session for music videos, because I love music videos and I love to just, showcase different music video looks that you can recreate for Halloween, for every day. I mean, whatever. Kudos to these makeup artists. Kudos to all these makeup artists who literally rock these looks. I love music videos and I love you. So today's music video makeup look that we are going to dive into is going to be a classic. If you were, listening to music 10 years ago, and it is the Black Eyed Peas, Meet Me Halfway. So you might be thinking this is kind of fitting. I'm wearing camouflage. I am wearing the camo because, the show or the music video was shot in like a very foresty vibe, and this look that we're doing is in the foresty vibe. So was it planned? Not really, but I'm tying it in. So today we're going to do that look, and first step that we're going to do is our foundation. I bought myself a new foundation, and every single time I buy myself a new one, I always regret it. I always regret it. So I always regret it because it messes with my skin. So I'm curious to see how this one is going to pan out for me. So Meet Me Halfway was released as a single to their album Countdown to the End. It was the third single to the album. The first single was the iconic I'm a Bee, and then the second single was Alive, and then this one was the third single. The song ended up debuting at number 75 on the Billboard Top 100 for the week of October 3rd, 2009. It didn't take long though for it to rise up on the charts, just like most of these Black Eyed Peas songs did. And the week of November 7th, it actually peaked to number 7 on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. The UK though, it also did do pretty well. It actually ended up peaking at number 3 in the UK. And during that time, that actually outperformed a lot of songs that were actually on the radio from the UK's X Factor, so it was actually pretty darn impressive for them. So a really quick note, this foundation right now, it is slaying in the light. It is looking really good, so shoot, I may have found a new one, but we'll see if I get skin problems, but we'll see. Now I'm just going to proceed with mattifying my face because, I want to make sure it all sits and it stays, And what I noticed is, like a goof, I did not mention that all of the things that I used during this tutorial are going to be linked down below. So if you got any questions, they'll be down there. Now I'm just priming my eyes. All in all, though, this song was a huge success, as probably a lot of people who were alive during that time know. This was actually their third top 10 song. There's a lot of statistics in this video, but this was their third top 10 song that they had off of that specific album. So this album did pretty darn well. And I mean, if you were at all aware of I Am a Bee, or I'm a Bee, not I Am a Bee, it was pretty darn major at the time. So goes to show you, I think one reason why the song also did very well was I think it was due to the nature of the voice. Her voice was not different, but it was a little bit different as opposed to what people were used to. She had tones in it that were just beautiful. I want you so badly, it's my biggest wish. I mean, how can you resist that? How can you resist that? You just it's such a beautiful song, and then lyrically you listen to it and you're just oh my goodness, you want to be with someone and you want to meet them halfway, and you just think about them all the time, and it's just, I don't know, it's a beautiful song, I think. Lyrically though, what I did find interesting was just, like I said, her voice was something else. during this entire performance. So much so that in an interview, Fergie actually said that she transported herself to 1985 when she was a 10-year-old girl. And she went to go and see Madonna perform live for her The Virgin tour. She decided to take on Madonna's persona and put that in a song as a form of homage, which, you know, when you listen to it and you think about it, this song is very, I don't know, like I said, there's a voice to it that's different that you hear, that it's like it hits you a different way. Their other stuff was very like, I'm fun, I'm here, come look at me, this, and this one was like sensual and beautiful. And when it comes to the actual music video itself, it actually was released on October the 12th, 2009. And back in the day, you know, we had the Spotify's and stuff. And, oh no, back in the day, you know, we had that like, what is it called? iTunes store. And so it wasn't something that dropped immediately on the iTunes store like things do now. It actually took a day, and the next day it dropped on the iTunes store. But yeah, those are basically the notes that I have for this particular song. There wasn't too much information besides, oh my god, there's these damn flies in my apartment. I didn't have much more news on this actual song. Just because there wasn't any controversy around it. There wasn't really anything much. It was just one of those that was just, I guess, critically acclaimed and people loved because of just those sounds and the way she sang. I mean, Fergie's got a voice. Fergie has got a voice. So basically this is my inspired look from Meet Me Halfway. I'm looking at it here on this side. You know, you can do whatever you want with the eyes. I wanted to go with something a little bit more on the shimmery side. They went with a very glowy look that you can really rock any day, that's so natural. So I felt like doing something on the eyes that had a little bit more of a pretty shimmer would have been perfect. As a quick rundown of certain products that I used, as far as my eyelids are concerned, the only thing that I put was primer and Angel Baby from the Glam Attack series of House Labs. Beautiful, love it. And then on the lips, I used also House Labs, and I used their lip gloss, which was in the color Corset. So altogether, it's a very, very easy look. It's a look that you can use every day. Unfortunately, since the lips are glossy, it's not very mask approved, but once things are all over with and you can look good, go out, all that kind of stuff, this is a beautiful look that you can try to recreate if you want for Halloween, if you want for your regular basis, all of that type of stuff. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and maybe that subscribe button if you would like. And we'll be back next Monday with another video for you guys. If there are any music video makeup looks that you guys would like to see, you know what to do. Drop them in the comments. Thank you guys so much. See you guys later.